Hello! This is Marky from BH Books and More. Welcome back to the channel. I am back again with another bookish video. And today we are going to talk about part 3 of my bookshelf tour. So for this one, we're going to look at some of the books that I have inside my plastic container box. Again, uh, these books don't fit in the shelf or on the shelf anymore. Kaya bumili na lang ako ng separate na lalagyan for them. So, we are going to look at more SciComm books or Wattpad adaptation books, as well as for the next video, Wattpad and SciComm books pa rin yung tapakita ko sa inyo. So, I don't think there's anything else left to say, but let's jump right in to my bookshelf tour. So, let's start with these ones. So, this is a trilogy, I believe, by Serial Sleeper, and this is Despereo Part 1. And then you have Despereo Part 2, okay, and Despereo Part 3. I'm not sure if I'm saying the word correctly or if I'm pronouncing the word. If I'm wrong, I apologize. So these three books, I think most of these books, I bought them during SciComm sales. So, minsan nag-warehouse sale sila o kaya naman nag-anniversary sale sila or whatnot. And madalas talaga they're lowering the prices. Usually, umaabot ng 70% off yung ilang books nila. So, if you're a fan of these kinds of stories, sobrang um, magandang puntahan yung mga sales ng SciComm kasi talagang bigay todo sila pagdating sa sales. So there, again, Despereo by Serial Sleeper. Next one, these are some of the series written by Reynald John P. Hernandez or Penguin 20. So this is Altheria, School of Alchemy. I think that's book 1. And then this is book 2. There. Another one from Penguin 20. We have Class 0, book 1. Okay. And then Class 0, book 2. And then here's School War Online, book 1. I love the cover on this one. Ang ganda ng neon colors. And then this is book 2. Okay. Ito naman, I believe, stand-alone, pero in the same universes na kinreate ni Penguin 20. So you have Killer Game here. And then Anti-Hero. Ito naman BL. Oh, I love BL stories. So you have the story of Unit 24C there. So all of these are again by Penguin 20. So bababa ko muna sila kasi baka malaglag. Okay. Now, let's move on to another, sabihin na natin, popular Wattpad writer and SciComm author. So you have Shinichi Labs, and I have the Detective Files series. So first, you have Detective Files, File 1, Part 1. Okay, wait lang. Okay, this is Part 2. File 1, Part 2. Lagay ko muna siya dyan. This is Part 2, File 2, Part 1. Sana marunong ako magbasa. And then says File 2, Part 2. And then you also have File 3, Part 1. And last one, File 3, Part 2. Again, by Shinichi Labs. And I also have this from the same author. You have Run for Your Life, Book 1. And then Book 2. There. So all of these again are from Shinichi Labs. Okay. let's go to the next one. Ito, isa pang prolific na author ng Psychom at ng Wattpad. He is very popular. I really want to start reading these books. I just need to find the right time to read them. So, we have Project Loki by Ako si Ibarra. So, this is Volume 1, Part 1. Here's Volume 1, Part 2. You have Volume 2, Part 1. Here's Volume 2, Part 2. Here's Volume 3, Part 1. And then you have Volume 3, Part 2. You also have Volume 4, Part 1. And Volume 4, Part 2. There. Okay. Ito naman mga next. Again, in the same universe as Project Loki, from what I know. So you have QAD, sana kaya kong isabihin yung QAD University Volume 1 and Volume 2. Still by Ako si Ibarra. Ito naman, The Enigma of Errol, Volume 1 and Volume 2. Itong next, from what I know, is a prequel, if I'm not mistaken. So Moriarty. There. The next two were written outside of, or published outside of SciComm, but still in the same universe. So you have Origins of the QED Club, right, one, and Chronicles of the QED Club. So there, I will read these books. I just need to find time to read them. But I am excited to read Project Loki books kasi people are saying it's good. So I wanna see if they're telling the truth. Okay. Okay, let's continue to some assorted books from SciComm. So, start tayo with this one. So, this is Mga Kwentong Parlor ni Wanda Ilusionada. This one was published, kung di ako nagkakamali, 2007. This is not the original copy that I have. Nawala na yung copy na meron ako. But this is one of my favorite queer books. I read this back in college and one of the funniest books na nabasa ko. So, tagal ko naghanap ng copy until finally nakakita ako sa National Bookstore, I believe. So, sobrang happy ako na nabili ko yung copy. Ah, um, healing my inner child ulit siya. Okay. All right, let's continue. I have two books from Jari Lago. So we have Anong Klaseng Estudyante Ka? And Anong Klaseng Empleyado Ka? Hard question to ask. Then I have Zian Randall's When a Becky Falls in Love. And this is I'm Seen as Kissed by the King. This is Amor Revelous and Chris. Sana tama yung pronunciation ko. This is owned by a mafia boss. Next one, actually, this is a series of collections ulit. So, start tayo. So, this is Stupid Love. So, again, it's a collection of stories about love, short stories about love. So, this is volume 1. If I'm not wrong, yes, that's volume 1. This is volume 7, 12. This is 13. Here. And then you have 14. Next is 15. Right? And last one, 18. Sabi dito 80 pesos, pero nabili ko to sa warehouse sale, parang 10 pesos. Yes, kasi sobrang luma na rin talaga um, ng mga books kasi matagal na silang na-release. So, diba, 90% off. Okay, next one. Again, another series from one of the original SciComm writers and authors. So this is Jay Panty, and we have the Kikiam Experience. This is the Panty Chronicles, Panty Thoughts and Study Tips. You have the Panty Briefs and Liners. Next, the Panty Experience, the Panty Facts, the Panty Sweet and Sour, and yung huling meron ako, the Panty Clicks and Tweets. These are, from what I remember, collection siya ng mga anecdotes, mga essays, quote-unquote essays ni Jay Panty. So, compilation siya ng iba't iba niyang mga musings. So, it was funny. Yeah. Nabasa ko na itong una, the Kikiam Experience. It was really funny. Depende siguro sa humor mo. But, yeah. I'm just glad that I have most of his books. Hopefully, makumpleto ko rin to. Pero, mahirap na kasi hanapin yung ibang copies. So, for now, I'm happy with what I have. So, there. Okay. Now, the next ones are actually not from SciComm, but from uh, Precious Pages. So, nilagay ko na lang din sila dito kasi wala na akong space na paglalagyan sa aking shelf. So, I just put them in here as well. So, the first one is Kadenang Bahaghari by John Jack G. Wegley. Medyo madumi yung copy ko kasi sa sale ko lang din ito nabili. Parang 10 pesos ko lang din nabili to. So, yeah, sadly madumi. Try ko kung malilinis ko pa siya. But yes. Okay. And then, ito naman ay collection din ng short stories under black ink. Again, imprint yun ng Precious Pages. So, collection siya ng mga short stories. Think of true Philippine ghost stories, pero ibang publisher at saka mas maliit na form. So, you have Librong Itim. So, I have all 20 volumes. Kung di ako nagkakamali, 20 volumes na siya. I have all of them. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo one by one so you can see the covers. So, this is, yan. These are not in order. I know this one is volume 1. I'm not sure if this is volume 2. So, in no particular order. I just want to show you the covers. So, here. And I have this one too. And then this one. You also have this one. Next is this one. I don't know if you can see the skeleton. Yeah. And then another Librong Itim book. And then you have this one. Next is this. Next we have this one. And then this one here. And then this one. And you have one more. And then this one here. And another cover. And then this one. Oops. The last 3 right there. And then this one. And last one that I have is this. So yeah, I have 20 volumes. Nabasa ko na ba? No. Pero, babasahin naman natin yan. Don't worry. I'm sure these are quick reads. I just don't know kung magagawan ko ba ng reaction videos tong mga to. But yeah, we'll get to them. Ito naman, nakuha ko lang for free. Since I bought these at bargain prices, binigyan ako ng free nung napagbilhan ko. So we have kilabot.com. So same thing, anthology din siya ng short stories na horror. So yeah, free. Nice. Okay, that's actually it for all the Psychom books in this container. Pero, meron pa akong ilang books na galing sa ibang publisher. Again, nilagay ko lang sila dito sa box na to kasi wala na akong mapaglagyan iba. So, let me show you. These are all from New Day Publisher or Publishing. Yeah, New Day Publishers there. So, I bought these during an event sa mall na malapit sa akin. They were selling the books for parang 10 pesos each. Parang 10 for 100. So 10 pesos each technically. So I bought a couple and most of them are short stories collections. So happy naman ako. These are books that are quite old. So I'm not sure kung magugustuhan ko sila. Pero sabi ko nga, I'm open to any stories naman. Kaya excited din ako mabasa sila when I find the time. Okay. So let's start. The first one is A Woman Pope, Neanderthals and Other Stories by Dennis Murphy. There. Ito ko na lang sila lalagay. Just a second. Okay. Next is The Pope's Professor and Other Stories. Sorry, The Pope's Confessor and Other Stories by Dennis Murphy as well. There's Cebuano Harvest 1, edited by Lina Espina Moore. There's Ilocano Harvest, edited by Pelagio Alcantara and Manuel S. Diaz. Also have Southern Harvest by Renato E. Madrid. This is P.D. Agkawili Collected Stories Volume 1. Then you have Manuel A. Verais, Shawl from Kashmir and Other Stories. Oops, sorry. And then this is A Sun in the Clouds and Other Essays by Alejo L. Villanueva Jr. Let me pick that up. Sorry about that. Next, we have Three Tombs and Other Stories by Domingo F. Nolasco. This is fiction by Filipinos in America, edited by Cecilia Manguera Brainard. Then we have The Night I Cry and Other Stories by Antonio R. Enriquez. Moving on to the next one, this is Reminiscences and Other Stories by Adriana C. Alcantara. Last three, Nightmares by Leoncio P. Derriada. And then you have The Week of Whales and Other Stories, again by Leoncio P. Derriada. And the last one is Salmo Comes Home and Other Stories by Benjamin M. Pascual. So that's about it. Those are all the books you can find inside the plastic container box that I have. I'm already scared of how I'm going to put all these boxes again, or how I'm going to put all the books in the boxes again, but I'm happy to show all of these ones to you. Stay tuned for part 4. That's still going to be my Psychom collection, I guess. Pero konti na lang yun, hindi na ganun kadami yun. So, please stay tuned for that. So this is again Marky from PH Books and More. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!